out with a lighter hoodie today because it's like 83 out, I think. Last I checked, it was 83, so it's a bit too warm for the NBT hoodie because although it's like armored and padded and stuff, which is good, it's pretty thick, which makes it a little too warm. So I went with a lighter one for today. That way, at least I'm still wearing a hoodie, so I've got some protection. But it shouldn't be too bad temperature-wise, hopefully. I mentioned the last video that I had a plan for what I was going to do for today's ride. I spent a little time fishing with my dad about 2 weeks ago, I think. And he asked me why I don't fish at the lake that's always in my videos. And I thought about it. I was like, oh, that's a good question. I don't know for sure if you're even allowed to fish there or not. I couldn't remember. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna head there, see if there's any signs that say like fishing prohibited or anything like that. And if there aren't, then I might have to go do that someday. But like, I don't think it's a fishing area. I don't think you're allowed to, because I've never seen anybody fishing there. I think it's just one of those areas that's prohibited, but I don't know for sure. So I figured I can go check, but also make a video with you guys while I do it, because a lot of people told me they want to go like the lakes and stuff like that. So figured I will just make a video out of it, and this will be the first trip to the lake this year. It's a nice night to do it, so I'm excited. As long as my mic records everything properly and stuff, and I don't have any issues with the adapter plugged into my phone, we'll be good. That's part of the reason I've been wearing the NBT hoodie, because the front pocket up here zips up. So I was just putting my phone in there and zipping it up. That way there's no like pressure on the adapter or the wire or anything like that. So the audio wasn't going to get messed up. But now I have it back in my pocket. So I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully it's fine. I'm going to listen to this video when I get to the lake and make sure it actually recorded. And if it did, then I can make one on the way home too. And that guy on the Harley or Harley style bike, whatever, is now behind me. I went later in the evening to try to avoid this, but I couldn't wait too much longer because then I'd run out of daylight. Why do you have that kind of spoiler on it? Chevy Cruze. To each their own. I miss living in an area that had smooth roads. There are pretty much none here, and I hate it. It's a lot of like paranoia because the bike feels weird when the road's all uneven and bumpy and like that. It's a little I don't want to say sketchy, but like misleading, I guess would be the word, because like it feels like something's wrong with the bike, but it's really just the roads are that bad and it's everywhere. I knew that was coming. I'm assuming, so he's still behind me. I'm assuming he's gonna follow me onto the highway part. I don't know if he's gonna go to the lake by chance, but at this point he's 99% chance gonna follow me onto the highway. And I'm wondering if he's going to take off there and go fast or not. But as soon as I said that, I realized he's probably going to go to that little bar where they all hang out at. Crank their hogs with each other, you know. Just a couple guys cranking hogs on a nice summer day at the Harley bar. Ain't nothing wrong with it, brother. Yep, there's another one right in front of me. Great, now I'm getting sandwiched. Oh, wait, no, he turned. Oh, he's not behind me anymore. Where are all the sport bikes, dude? It's always Harleys. least he saluted me. I'll take that. Thank you. I was expecting to not be acknowledged. I could have died, lady. That was just so close. That was fun. I was referring to this spot up here because, yeah, see, there's a couple of them. There's always a bunch of Harley riders there. So I figured that's where he was going. Unless he's just taking a different route there, I don't know. But the one time, the day my bike, so the day my chain broke and I was stuck on the side of the highway for hours, I ended up going into that bar just to pee because I really had to go and I didn't want to do that on the side of a highway, you know, can't let people see the 2-incher. So I went in there into the bathroom and it looked like something straight out of a movie, like the whole, oh, we don't recognize you, you're not supposed to be in here, like type of thing. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna get out of here real fast. It's not the most comfortable situation. This is weird because when I rode the past 2 times, I went to the bank and back. It was fun, obviously, like I was riding, I was out on the bike and stuff, but it didn't feel as official, I guess, put it that way. It didn't feel as good. This one, today, since I'm riding to the lake, it's very sunny out, it's nice and warm, it feels like the official first day of summer type thing. Like, feels like, oh, riding season is officially back, which is awesome. Here. Question is though, those signs down there, do they say no fishing? I mean, it is fenced off, so like, I'm thinking it's a no. Can I even fit through that? In between? If I put my visor down? Nope. That's funny. These helmets are so bulky. So I'm assuming it's no fishing, because, like I said, it's like fenced off, and you got all these signs up here. Right? I could walk around over there, but based on that and that building, because that building's like related, I'm assuming you can't fish here. I guess there's a gap in the fence right here, duh. We'll check it out. Says it's a federal offense to tamper with a public water system. $1 million. I would assume fishing is tampering, right? Because you're putting stuff into the water, like bait and
hooks and shit. I'm assuming you can't fish here, which I didn't think you could, but made me wonder. Well, this is as close as I've been to it. It's a shame because it's probably good fishing, but I don't really do it much anymore anyways. But at least you guys get a closer view of the lake this time. It's nice. It's good to be back. Jeez. See? It's probably great fishing. Another one. I'm gonna get a little closer. And then I'm in the video because it's probably getting too long. I didn't say anything about trespassing, just said tampering. So if I don't touch the water, shouldn't be an issue, right? I was trying to see if I could see any little fish in the area. It doesn't look deep enough. Gotta go out a little bit further. Oh, there it is up close. Finally. I've come here how many times and just now came up to it. Damn, that's a big deer. I guess it's not that, that's kind of big. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully my mic recorded everything. Otherwise I'm going to be very unhappy. And as long as it did, I'll make one on the way home as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.